Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today is the day after Christmas. I hope each and every one of you guys had a very Merry Christmas. We're going to be talking about Atom in this video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, give you guys my thoughts about where we are at the moment in the charts, as well as where I think things might be going for Atom. Before I do that, though, help me grow, guys. Help me on YouTube by smashing the like button, hitting that subscribe button. If you guys don't know, when you do subscribe to my channel, you could also possibly win yourself a 50-inch flat screen TV and or an MSI 2060 GPU once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do everybody a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I do want to apologize if I seem out of it. It's because I'm still not 100%. While I was traveling for the holidays, I just did not feel very well, guys, and I still don't feel very well, but I figured it's about time that I make a video. I've been drinking a little bit of coffee, so hopefully that's been helping me. But we're going to try to muscle through this real quickly and talk about what we're seeing in the charts, guys. A few days ago, I told you guys on the daily time frame that I told you guys that the RSIs looked like it was fighting for a bottom position on the charts right around here, guys. And lo and behold, so far it has done very well, guys, after finding a bottom position like I was thinking it was. Since then, we have rallied about 50% up over the past 6 days. Let's actually be a little bit more precise. Right around here, we've rallied up about 50 to 51%, give or take, ever since finding a bottom position right around $20.70-ish. Guys, that was a really good play. That was a really good. I'm not patting myself on the back, but I did try to warn you guys that this did look like we were fighting for a bottom position based on the RSIs. Excuse me again, guys. I'm kind of out of it. But the RSIs did look like they were fighting for a bottom position, and lo and behold, we did boom out of that bottom position. Right now, I'm still waiting for that daily curvature to really take form right here. It does look like it's happening. It actually looks like it's going to happen over the next day or two. If we can maintain this momentum to the upside, that's when I'm going to be taking a really strong position. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I always speak to you guys about curvature on the money flow waves, guys. This green being positive money flow or buying pressure, and this red being negative selling pressure on the money flow. Just like we had curvature right down here when we started curving back up into the green or into the positive money flow. This right here, this section of the chart, that's when I start getting really bullish, guys. When things really start leading into that positive money flow on Market Cipher B, that's when I'm like, look, this is going to explode. Even though, guys, 50% to the upside is an explosion in my book. I'll take that each and every day. But right now on the daily time frame, we are still waiting to get that confirmation back into the positive. So as you guys can see on the simple way to read it down here on the bar, we have yet to do that. We're still in the red on the daily time frame. Even after catching a 50% price increase to the upside, guys, we're still in the red. We need to see that change on over. And I do think that if we can capture about $34, $35 for Atom, that we will see that conversion take place. So that's what I'm waiting for on Market Cipher B, which houses the RSIs and the money flow waves. Or should I say the momentum waves? Excuse me again, guys. I'm so out of it. Houses the RSIs and the momentum waves. Keep in mind, again, guys, the RSIs are a lagging indicator. They do lag behind, especially when you're on a higher time frame like we are right now. Much like I've been saying for the past month or so, guys, there's a bunch of reasons why you should remain super bullish for Atom or Cosmos going forward. If you guys don't know my position, I'm going to tell you guys it right now. 2022 is going to be the year for the Cosmos ecosystem. There are so many bullish developments happening for Cosmos just in general, let alone all of the things that are in the Cosmos ecosystem that you guys got to do your homework. You just really do got to do your homework about what's happening. If you guys don't know, if you guys haven't watched any of my videos, I'll just briefly tell you guys right now, Evmos is happening, which is the ETH bridge. Once that TVL and the Cosmos TVL are able to communicate with each other or work interoperably with each other, that's going to be humongous, guys. And then, of course, we had IBC that just recently happened earlier this year that went live, already is gaining so much traction, guys. I do think in 2022, we're going to see over 200 chains or different protocols or projects utilizing IBC. And I just think that development in itself is going to continue to grow. And then we have shared security happening here shortly. And then we also have superfluid staking in the Cosmos ecosystem. That's going to be a game changer. Both of those are going to change the game for Cosmos in its entirety. So you guys really got to do your homework about what's happening in the Cosmos ecosystem. So many bullish things actually taking place in the Cosmos. You see what I did there? That's hard to ignore the possibility or the upside potential that it has going into 2022, guys. So again, that's I think what's happening right now, guys. I think a lot of people are finally starting to realize that, guys. That's what I think is driving this price action to the upside right now. If you guys can see, a lot of other things are doing fairly well. Even Polkadot's doing fairly well. But honestly, over the past week or so, or actually I should say 6 days, it's been about 6 days since we started that rally. pretty much Cosmos has been leading the charge, guys. So again, fundamentally, Cosmos is leading DeFi. Cosmos is leading altcoins right now, in my opinion. And what I mean by that, because there are some really small caps that are doing phenomenal as well. I'm talking about big players. Right now, Cosmos is leading the big players in the altcoin section of the crypto universe, guys. I really do think Cosmos is leading the pack. But anyway, with that being said, I'm kind of rambling. I do apologize again, guys. Let's go into some basic TA, which is Market Cipher A. As you guys can see on the daily time frame, like I was telling you guys before, what we did was we came down here, bounced right off this lower level of support from this descending wedge pattern, which I've been telling you time and time again that it's a more bullish pattern than it is bearish pattern. There's a higher likelihood of us breaking up and out of it. I've been preaching that until I've been blue in the face like I am right now because I don't feel well. Lo and behold, look what we did, guys. We broke up and out of it. Now, we do still need to hold momentum. Even though this looks insanely bullish, guys, we do need to still hold this 0.382. I could see us coming back down here over the next couple of days because with every pump, there is a dump. So I could see us coming back down here on the daily time frame and then bouncing off it and making our way back up to this 0.236 on the Fibonacci retracement line. But that would bring us back in to that $34, $35 range like I was saying earlier in the video. And I think if we can capture this range or even come close to hanging around that range on the daily time frame for Market Cipher B, that's when we'll actually start getting that big curvature happening on the money flow wave, and that's when we'll actually break onto the 60 line with the RSIs, and then again, that's when we'll start converging back into the positive money flow on the charts, guys. That's where I think it's all going to be taking place. I think it's going to look something similar to this, if not exactly like that. It's going to be more of a stair-stepping movement. Sorry, my phone is going off. I'm not professional. I did not turn it off before I made this video or went whatever on this video, but I think it's going to look something like this: come down, maybe stair step its way, because with every ebb there's a flow, but then we'll slowly start making our way up, kind of like that, guys. I really do think it's going to be something like that more than likely, instead of a bounce and straight up to $34, $35. Either way though, whichever way it happens, I'll be grateful for it, but that's what I'm thinking is going to be happening in the future, guys. Keep an eye out for those levels. If we dip down again, watch for this line, which here is where we were starting to actually make a channel to the upside before making a strong push up and out of it. But if we do come down even past this Fibonacci line, which is that 0.382, we could come back down here and retest, which was once resistance for a brief couple of days on the charts, and we could test right around $25 or even $26, $27, somewhere around there before getting another bit of support and bouncing up again. Guys, that's what I'm seeing in the charts. I do apologize. I'm sorry for kind of not making a lot of sense sometimes. If I didn't make any sense, again, I don't feel very well. Hopefully I can get to feeling better here in the next day or so. But with that being said, don't forget, please guys, support me, help me grow here on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, stay blessed, peace.